Hi everyone, this is my auntie's beko glacier freestanding freak. Like, she's had this for 18 years. I think this is very reliable since she's got it and doesn't get used very often. This excuse that smell with this dirt on it. When I was younger, this used to be used quite a lot. And is this very reliable, doesn't get used, that's why it lasts a very long time. As you can see, your rest is on there. This is the least basic. The most basic version of this would have an ice box in it. On top, this is the least basic, and I like it. It was there. I've never done the one in the kitchen yet. Yeah, and again, this more for the eggs and on the Kia. On the castle there. So, it's nice walking by. And a good morning to you. Hope you enjoy this.